What is it that allows some of us to stand up, stand apart, and stand out in the workplace? Some executives just seem to have it. They seem comfortable and even eager to stand out as professionals in the most compelling and magnetic way. What is it that they're doing? And how can you start to do that too? Executive presence. This is how we optimize our physical presence in the workplace to maximize our influence, our impact, and our effectiveness. It encompasses how we write, how we speak, and how we occupy and use space. So executive presence is how we physically define ourselves in the workplace in the most compelling and effective way. This workshop is designed to improve a participant's awareness of their own presence and introduce them to the physical skills they'll need and the tools they can use to distinguish themselves as professionals in any work environment, at any level of your organization, and enjoy more influence, have a greater impact, and be more effective as an executive. Presence can seem elusive, complicated, overwhelming, and even impossible at times. In this workshop, we're going to focus on simple principles of live performance that will empower you with a reliable method to begin to develop commanding presence. We're going to learn how to reach audiences, how to transform their thinking, and move them to action. That's what we're called to do as executives. We're not called to be employees, we're called to be leaders. We're going to discover where confidence comes from. We're going to learn a simple formula for charisma and understand the important application of design. We're going to learn how to use space as a medium, how to create compelling narratives, and how to unlock the creative energy that comes from engagement with audiences and our coworkers. We're going to learn how to demonstrate an understanding of what it is that needs to be done, demonstrate that we can get it done, and express a genuine desire to do it. That's how we, in effect, are auditioning for our roles as executives every day. There's no single right way for any of us to do this. The way we speak, the way we move, the way we establish presence as professionals, it's different for everyone. But there is an optimal way for each of us to apply those gifts and talents that we have to better prepare us for successful careers as business executives, and most importantly, to maximize the impact we can have on our organizations. So join us for this innovative, engaging, and transforming workshop that'll give you a whole new way to think about what it is you're called to do as an executive and discover how you can begin doing those things that you need to do to develop the presence of an executive.